Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, India's economic landscapes. SEBI governance reform. Addressing conflict of interest for enhancing transparency formation of high-level committee to review conflict of interest. Also, to strengthen ethical conduct frameworks for official and board members and to develop mechanism to balance officer privacy with the necessary transparency. SEBI institutional structure and authority. There is a Security Appellate Tribunal, which is a quasi-judicial authority with the civil court powers. And SEBI board consists of chairman with the whole-time and part-time members. Regional office is located in Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chennai and Delhi. SEBI is actually established in 1992 and it is India's premier security market regulator, that is a bond market regulator. And the Securities Appellate Tribunal provides a mechanism and recourse to the Supreme Court. SEBI committee formation process. Committee declaration of intent to form high-level committee for reviewing conflict of interest provisions and identification and appointment of eminent person from various sector, and then 3-month period for committee will be formulated for recommendation and presentation of recommendation to SEBI board for consideration and potential implementation. India's naval diplomacy building African partnership, which comes under GS2 international relation. AI exercise Africa India key maritime engagement exercise planned with the 10 African nations to enhance regional security cooperation and counter Chinese influence, and deployment of INS Sunyana with the combined crew from India and 9 friendly foreign relations to Southwest Indian Ocean region and Mahasagar framework. Okay. What is Mahasagar framework? Is implementing of mutual and holistic advancement for security across the region. IAS Sagar initiative, like India will be the lead nation to provide all vessel and expertise, and island nation will be there, East African and Southern African nations will be also there. Strategic objectives of India's naval initiative in Africa is to counter Chinese influence, that is the major one, and to combat maritime threats and to build regional partnerships and to implement Mahasagar framework to enhance India's soft power and strategic reach. Project Cheetah, which is a human wildlife conflict challenges that comes under GS3 environment. Cheetah family attacked while hunting near Shevapur village. Project Cheetah is a phased approach. Initially transferring of cheetah from South Africa and Namibia to Kuno National Park, and then sourcing cheetahs from Kenya due to habitat, and then monitoring and management to ensure successful breeding and adaptation to Indian habitats and community integration. Historical causes of cheetah extinction in India: royal hunting practices, habitat conversion, and then colonial spot hunting and prey-based depletion. These are the issues. But whatever the critical factors is habitat suitability, community engagement, genetic viability, protection measures. DARE to ERA D, TB genome sequencing initiative. So this comes under GS2 governance. So 10,000 samples sequenced and 1/3 of the 32,500 sample target completed, and 7% drug resistance, and India data shows that 100% focus on capturing unique genomic features of TB in India. See, the components of this initiative is INTGS, Indian TB Genomic Surveillance Consortium, so that they will analyze the TB samples to create a genomic database, and INTBK, Indian TB Knowledge Hub, which organizes regular webinar series to disseminate research findings, host directed therapies to develop innovative approaches targeting host human response rather than the pathogen. There is an impact of TB genomic sequencing on treatment approaches also. Try to answer this question. What the causes of cheetahs extinct from India, and the success of probability of Project Cheetah. Explain. Thank you. Have a great day.